How to link Facebook page to Messenger. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook app and make sure you are logged in with your Facebook page. After that, here in the right upper corner you can see the profile icon with 3-bar horizontal lines. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the gear option which is just beside the search bar. So tap on that. So here you have to go through the page settings. After that, you'll be able to see the privacy option. So tap on privacy. After that, you can see the messaging option in the button. You have to tap on that and make sure that the messaging option is on. By doing that, you'll be able to link your Facebook page to Messenger. Whenever someone texts in your page, then you will be able to receive the message on your Facebook page. So by following this simple step, you can link your Facebook page to Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.